Hey everybody, this is Drew and Elena with Powertrain Products. Today we wanted to talk a little bit about our 3.4 liter GM application. This one is another surplus unit. Elena's going to explain several things about it, and we hope to answer any questions that anybody has.
So our surplus units, a lot of you know, we've mentioned before, we buy them in stock loads. They come from the manufacturer and they are 0-mile engines.
So with 0 miles on this engine and being a surplus unit, do I still get a warranty?
You do. We offer these with an up to 5-year warranty available with them. So yeah, pretty good deal there.
So when I buy this, do I need a core to give back to you?
You don't. We don't require cores on surplus engines. Typically because there is so many of them in circulation, we just don't need the core.
In this engine, I've seen some of your videos. This one looks a little more parts on it.
That's correct. So when we're always talking about long blocks in most of our videos, we're talking about block heads, timing components, so on and so forth. You're going to get the same with this, except it has a couple extras. We're talking about things like oil pump and oil pan, valve covers, other tinware. Pretty much more complete. It's kind of, you just need a throttle body, a few accessories, some sensors, and you're on your way.
Gotcha. I've seen some of your other videos. Is your producer working?
Or
is she quarantined?
My producer is not quarantined. She is here. This engine does fit in the array of vehicles she has pasted for us on our banner here. And I would mention that surplus engines, again, they're bought in stock loads. When they're gone, they're gone. We don't have any more until we have more. So I would suggest if you do need one of these and you drive one of these vehicles over here and you're needing an engine, you give us a call at your earliest convenience.
Wait. What's our phone number?
Our phone number is 888-842-0023.
Do we have an email? Do we have
a website, and we have a website, and it's powertrainproducts.net.
See you there.
You can also like, follow, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Till next time.